Hi everybody, welcome to the first day of Junk Journal January 2025. I'm so excited to be participating in this. This is hosted by Meg Journals, and I am excited. I've wanted to do this. I actually only heard about this past year, so I'm really looking forward to doing this. Today is day one, so we are working on the cover. I did a quick video of the journal that I'm using, so if you want to see that, I will link it at the end of the video. If I can think of it, I'll put a card up there if I know how to do that. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm sending you lots of love and best wishes for this new year, and hope that your creativity is just overflowing, that you are filled with love, joy, and happiness. And I did start recording what I did, but then it was 20 minutes in and it was just the stamps. Me stamping, because it's the first time I've used the stamp set, so I had to cut it a lot. So I went ahead and just deleted that, and I am just going to show you what I did. So the only thing I've done so far is I cut this out, which I think is going to go on here. I'm not sure yet. And then I just stamped with my brown archival ink on this paper, Junk Journal January 2025, and I'm using the stamp set from the Dollar Tree. I really like it. It was just hard getting it off the backing the first time using it. So I'm thinking of something like Junk Journal January, and I kind of cut off my Y a little bit, but that's okay. Let's cut this down a little bit here. If I can tear that a little bit. No, not enough on this fabric. I've had a challenging time tearing this fabric. If I don't put a big enough cut in it, it just won't tear. So I just wrinkle this up a little bit. Okay. So I'm still basically trying to use up my stuff. If you've been watching or following along with my use it, don't organize it. I'm still going along with that same concept. I'm not creating anything new. I'm trying to get through all the delicious, wonderful things that I have created already. Along that line, I have a bunch of things that I have created. Stamps. I don't know where all of these are from. Stickers that I have created, and they're all in sticker form. I've cut them out on the Cricut, so I pulled these out because I wanted, like, you can see how many pages I have, and this isn't even all of them. There's some more on the other part of the desk that you can't see. So I was thinking of trying to incorporate those into this. Okay, I think I'm liking this. I think I want to glue this down. What glue do I want to use? I have my art glitter gel, which is the best for this, but I can't get the lid off of, this is the refill, and I can't get the lid off of the bottle I put it into. So let me see if I can just paint this on, because it's such a great glue for doing the fabric. Okay, there's that one. How is everyone doing? I hope your Christmas and your New Year is going well already. First day of the new year today. Are you guys joining in on Junk Journal January? There's going to be lots of collaborators. I'm excited to watch and see how they do what they do, their creativity and their ideas. Oh, I need to pull this down some. Okay. I didn't do anything too exciting. We had friends over for, or we're gonna have, I'm filming this ahead of time. We're gonna have some friends come over and just play some games. Our neighbors. Okay, junk journal, January. Oh, it's exciting, it's official. And I decided to do this a while ago, and so I've just been anxiously waiting for this to start. Ooh, almost put that on wrong and backwards and upside down. Okay, hopefully I can get that cleaned out afterwards. Let me grab my wet wipe that is actually wet and try to get some of that glue off. It'll dry clear, but I don't want it sticking everywhere. Okay, well that didn't go so badly. So I think what I might do is let's glue this down because I'm liking that as the background. Oh, I think it's cute and I think it goes well with the old book cover. So this says, I kind of wanted to keep this, but as long as I'm seeing some of the book cover, I'm okay with it. Glue, 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 come out, come out. I just didn't, I like to see videos where people go through and create. I like to, obviously when I'm in a hurry, I like it if they're prepped ahead a little bit, but I don't mind the longer videos. I hope you guys don't mind. I tried to prep this a little bit, but it's just hard for me to do that. Okay, ooh, that is making a big old mess. Probably need the dry one to do that. Oh, these are wet also. Where are, oh, my dries are behind me. Okay. That is good. And then I think I want to do a little gesso around the edge here just to push this back a little bit. We'll see how that goes. Maybe I can just use the brush I used the glue for. Just to kind of blend it in, blend in that edge some. Great to have tools, but often I find the best tool is just my fingers. Oh no, I don't want to get it there. Where's my wet one? Here it is. Try to keep my mat clean, but it doesn't always work. Just kind of blends it in just a little bit. Put a to make it flow. That might need to be glued down just a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and try this. Come on, there we go. Just a tad. That one there too. Let's go a little bit more there. Okay, so that pushes it back a little bit, blends it in. Then, my hands are going to be a mess. So this is the Distress ink and burlap. So I just want to go in there and give that a little bit of tone. Not much. Okay. Boy, that's looking grungy, which is fine. I wasn't thinking it would look that grungy, but I'm okay with it. Can always, yeah, so see, there's white marks on there, so it is a little bit wider. I don't know if I pushed that back or highlighted that, but we're gonna go with it. Okay, what else do I want on this cover? It's pretty cute just like that, but I feel like it needs, I know what it needs. Because it always needs a bow. It always needs a bow. So the way I do my bows, if you've seen, I pull up 2 loops, I wrap them around each other, push the right one through, pull it, and then you have to flip that tail under. And then I make small little loops. Actually, I've never done it like that, but oh, I pulled the wrong one. That might be a good way for me to keep my loops the size I like, is just use my finger. If I can pull that one back out. Okay. So let's see. Let's go see what it looks like if I go to the first knuckle on my finger, and then the, well, maybe not quite the first knuckle, but a little bit before. See, I just love that so much. A little bit of hot glue. Glue that down. And there we go. Junk Journal, January 2025. Yay! I like it. What do you think? And then I was thinking about doing the inside of the cover, but when I was reading through the prompt list, there's envelope, there's tuck spot, things like overlap. So I was thinking I'd probably end up doing the inside of the cover with one of those. So there it is. Junk Journal January cover done. So I'm excited to see everyone else's covers. I hope you're joining along with everyone. I can't wait. Again, it's Junk Journal January, Meg's Journals. This is her prompt list if you want to join in. And then I will try to link I think she'll have a playlist, so I'll try to link that below just so you guys can find it easy as well. And that's it for today. So I just pray that you are good and happy and full of creativity and love from the Creator today. As always, see you later. Love, Savannah.